Today we got you a little video to show you how to take off and put back on the Can-Am Defender clutch cover. And I hope that when you're taking your clutch cover off, you're putting on a HunterWorks belt. Best on the planet. Check them out. Maybe a Dalton clutch kit from us really wakes these Defenders up. Or maybe, and also maybe you're going to be using our HunterWorks belt too. Yes, an infomercial. These videos are a twofer. Show you how to do something and hopefully get you some good products, okay? Also, the tools I'm using today, a lot of people have been asking me what tools I use specifically on some of the jobs that don't look like common tools. We're gonna put some links below. You can go straight to Amazon and get them. Pretty simple operation. You know, some of you guys that had these for years, you go, man, why do you make a video for something so simple? Trust me, doing this for 19 years, selling over 50,000 belts, dealing with hundreds of people a day. Everybody's level of, I don't know, expertise is a bad word, but just everybody's mechanical level is different. And I joke with people, some people don't know the difference between a Phillips head and a flat head. Hey, these videos are for you. Don't make you bad people, you probably know something we don't, you know. So, first thing we're gonna do is take off this panel. Now, I've taken most of this off to speed things up. I like to use a pair of wire cutters because you can easily get kind of behind, pull that little pin out. And a lot of times I'll just pull the entire pin out like that to center. And sometimes you reach up here and pry it off like that, okay? Like I said, I've got all mine out, but a couple. There you go, that whole thing come out together. All right, take this little panel out, give you full access. All right, so the first tool I was talking about is our Milwaukee 1/4" drive impact, and then these little flex shafts. I absolutely love these little shafts because they help me get in spaces. You can see and you get busy. All right, we're gonna take a 5/16. I think an 8mm does it too, but this is a 5/16. I think a Torx tool. But I'm gonna be using a 5/16 to take these off, and you start taking your clutch cover screws out. All right. And then I'm gonna really show you on the install how nice these flex shafts are. Of course, I've made it easy, got it up on the lift, got a tire off, but we do this so you can see, but the process will be pretty much the same on the ground. All right, and just take your clutch cover off, slide it out, do what you're doing. Inside here, like I said, hopefully it's HunterWorks belt, etc. Dalton clutch kit. If your secondary probably don't look like this unless you've already bought a kit from us. This does have a Dalton on it and all. So anyway, so whatever it is that you're doing inside your clutch cover, do what you're doing, and then time to go back. So the first thing you want to do is inspect this rubber gasket. Make sure it's in all the way, it's not poking out, it's getting a good seal. You need dust and dirt, or blow it out. I had a blower here that I got to blow the dirt out of it. Whatever you're doing in here, time to go back, inspect your gasket, and simply put your cover back on. I like these covers from Can-Am because they got that dampening material inside of it. All right, so get it back in place. Don't tighten one screw at a time, as you put them in. Just get a few started. Now, I know a lot of people are gonna cringe me using an impact with a wood type screw because you can strip out. I've been doing this so long that I have what I call finger control. All right, we just want to get them all started. So let's go through that. Like I said, you'll be able to see me use this flex drive. And the reason that you don't tighten them is you never know what position that you're in, and you may have to move that cover around a little bit. All right, see, this is starting to get to be a good one. You can see that angle. All right, got it started. And this is a tough one right back in this corner. Turned out to be pretty easy. And it's kind of important do them like this, like I said, a little bit at a time. And then when we get ready to tighten, I got a little trick for you there. All right, see, we're doing another bow in here. All right. Where's that hole? Actually, yeah. Look here, I'm doing almost at a 90. There we go. Awesome. They're cheap. Like I said, that link's down below. All right, I'm getting to my last one here. All right, so it appears that it's in place in the proper position. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna do like a cross. Top, bottom, end to end, and across. You never wanna just go tighten one at a time and make a circle. And actually, even on the first one, I never tightened it all the way. Now, another thing, trigger control. This particular Milwaukee has 3 settings on it, kind of a light, medium, and a heavy setting. And also has one I've never used. It kind of senses what you're doing. Never used it, couldn't even tell you about it. You're the owner's manual if you get it. But point is, you can certainly screw these in, strip them out. Have some finger control. Like I said, we're gonna get this one kind of partially in. Now we can go to the bottom. You heard that? All right, now let's go to this end over here actually. Bonk, bonk, let off, just a little. Hear that? Bump, bump, let off. Go to this one. Go down here at the bottom in this hard corner. And I'm not sure that I got this one. Let's see. Doop, doop, doop. They are all, pretty sure they're all in. Oop, that may be one. Let's see. Yep, well, we're all in. Let's put our cover on. I would suggest starting right here at the top because it's easy to hold it, put it in place. All right, then I would probably go right through the bottom because you can, once again, you can hold it in from the back, pin in. There we go. Sometimes these jokers are a little tough to get in. All right, and there's one right here on the very bottom. On this one, the panel goes on the inside, push pin on the outside. Okay. Well, that's all it was to it. Don't forget, HunterWorks belt. Links down below, tools we're using. Got any questions, Todd at HunterWorks.com. Be glad to help you any which way we can. We appreciate you.